Team conversations are great for collaboration, but sometimes you need to talk privately. In chat, you can have one-on-one chats or group chats with your teammates. To start a new chat, click the new chat icon at the top of the app. Then, type the name of the person or people you want to reach. Click the down arrow on the right to give the chat a name. This helps when you have a few chats going with different sets of people. When you want to call someone directly from a chat, click the video call or audio call in the top right corner. This also works for calling a group. On the left hand side of the app, there is a list of your most recent conversations. When you want to stay on top of a chat, click the three dots, then favourite. This keeps it in the favourites on the left hand side. In some cases, you can call anyone from Teams using calls, even if they're not using Teams. Your organisation has to allow this and give you an enterprise voice license, but if you've got this set up, it's pretty handy. In calls, you can also see your call history and check voicemails. Don't have calls? Don't worry, any missed calls and voicemails will show up in your activity feed. Chat and calls gives you everything you and your team need to stay in touch.